Hey, what's up, all you Hot Wheel lovers? Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. Then we got another little Walmart bag full of little pig hunt goodies to show you. Let's get started. First of all, let me show you this Volvo's 240 Drift camper. It's pretty cool. Pretty nice. And we got a Ford Escort, Compact Kings, and we got a Maru GTC, whatever that is, and whatever that is, from the Safari mode, new for 2025. A Maru GTC. Okay. And we got the Big Air Bel Air. Big Air Bel Air. That's from the Safari mode also. Never heard of the Safari mode of y'all. I like it though. And we got the custom 53 Cadillac truck. Did they even make such a thing? Rod Squad. With some kind of little car in the back. It's kind of ugly in it, but it's different. That is the custom 53 Cadillac. And we got the Batmobile, black and red, Batman. And that is the Batmobile. And we have the Mad Fast. I got a couple old ones of these, some old ones. It's from the Track Aces. And that is Mad Fast. And we got the 55 Chevy. It's pretty neat. Some weird designs on it from the Rod Squad. Zamac. That is the 55 Chevy. And we got a 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger. From the HW70s versus 90s. And that's the Dodge Hemi. got the Zinger Z1C. Zinger, whatever how you pronounce that, which is also a Zamek. I guess that's how you pronounce that. New for 2024. HW Green Speed. And we got the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesco. I don't ever know if I pronounced that right or not. From HW Race Day. And that is the Koenigsegg. Oh, some funny names. And we have the Max Steel from Rod Squad. Max Steel. There you go. And we got a 58 Chevy Impala. From the Rod Squad. It's pretty neat. And we have a High Roller 2. HW Rolling Metal. New for 2024. It's amazing how many of these 2024 and 2023 cars are still out there on the shelves. And last we got a Mighty K. This is also a Zamek. Compact Kings. And I saw my little Walmart Hot Wheels hunt haul here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racing, please. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.